How to add phone number to your Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add phone number to your Yahoo Mail easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your email. Now go to the top here and click on your profile picture, and click on your profile picture here again, and it will take you to this page. Now go to account security right here, and it will take you to this page right here, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go down until you find add phone number option. Click on it and you will be able to add your phone number. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you later.